In primetime news this evening, options narrowing. Jamaica to no date for upcoming election soon.
A JLP leadership issues stern warning to candidates and supporters following acts of vandalism.
And drought conditions affecting wards at Home of Refuge in St. Andrew. Good evening and welcome to primetime news, and a special welcome to our viewers as well on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Janella. So some company news. VM Group is reporting strong growth for 2024 despite global economic uncertainties. And it's Wednesday, so I'll have the latest gas prices.
It's Wednesday, but it's also Big Show Day. So what does that mean? It means Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's to come up in primetime sports. What's happening, Jerry?
Thanks, Archibald. This is some big news. At least one of Jamaica's most experienced netballers could be leaving the courts, at least in one arena. We'll tell you who a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what are your plans for Emancipation Day?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and on X at TVJ News Center.
My plans are falling apart. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.